All right, hello everybody. This is Zaxter99. Again, guys, I'm here to help you guys out with your Android phones, your Android devices. I know how excruciatingly frustrating it can be to be using games and applications on your phone, on your Android phone, on your Android device, and have all these ads popping up constantly. A lot of these ads don't even have a way to close them, and or they disguise the way to close them, and you click on the close and it actually opens up another ad. It's just super annoying. And the thing is, you're playing like a mobile game or whatever, and you continue to close these ads out or whatever. And what will end up happening is these ads that continually pop up will fill up your cache, and pretty soon the game or the application you're trying to use isn't even responsive because so many ads are taking up all your Android devices or all your phone's memory, and it's just super annoying. So, if you're like me, you might go to the settings or click on something on the application of the game and see, hey, you can remove the ads. Look at the price of this particular application I had on my phone. Remove the ads for $10. But that's not permanently. That's for only 5 days. Guys, I remember 8, 10 years ago when I used to use these devices and I'd get a little game or something like that I liked. I thought it was worth it to pay, a dollar, two, $3 to buy the rights to the game without any ads, and it was permanent. That used to be worth it to me. Some apps, if I use them a lot, I would pay for like, the ad-free version of the game or the application. But nowadays, it seems like these game makers and mobile game makers and mobile games are just getting greedier and greedier and greedier. And like this particular case, they want, what is that, $60 a month just for one stupid little game? Who the hell in their right mind is going to pay that? Don't be stupid, guys. Like I said, I'm here to help. I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of these ads, stop these ads from popping up in your mobile games, your mobile apps on your Android devices. You don't need to download any other application. Oh, hell no, you don't want to do that. We don't need more applications running on our phone. It's a simple setting, guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your settings on your Android device, on your Android phone. Every phone, every Android device is going to be different, so you may have to look at your user manual or Google it, how to find the settings on your particular model of phone. But you're going to go into your settings, and then what I would do is use the search function. It's going to be the easiest way to get there, and you're just going to go ahead and type in DNS in the search. When you do, you're going to see that DNS is going to pop up as available. You're just going to click on that, private DNS. Just go ahead and click on that at that point. And then once you click on that, guys, it's probably going to be set to automatic. You want to make sure that you select private DNS provider and host name. Make sure you click on that option. And then what you're going to do is you're going to provide your phone, your Android device, with that host name. And there you're going to type in dns.adguard.com, just like that, dns.adguard.com. And then you just need to make sure you hit the save. And once you do that, guys, go ahead and open up those games, go ahead and open up those apps, and all your ads are going to be long gone. Simple as that. This takes like 30 seconds. As long as you know how to get to your settings, it's a 30-second fix and no more ads. No having to pay, money for ad-free versions or pay $10 for a week of no ads, stuff like that. Save your money, guys. If this has helped you prevent all these ad pop-ups on your Android device, be sure you comment down below. Be sure you like this video, guys. This has been Zaxter99. Again, just here to help. Have a good one, everybody. Take care.